Hi, welcome to ScratchStart. Today, as I said in the previous video, I'll do my wrapping of the HTML and CSS series by doing a ultimate project by trying to include all the stylings I did so far in previous projects. So in that thing, I created a HTML file with like a imaginary business brand, and I gave the sections like features, the header, hero, and the navigation bar, and everything else for that the basic business website requires. So we are going to do the styling part today. So as I said earlier on previous video, I will go by section. I won't be uploading the whole video, like whole styling process in a single video. It will be very long video, so I will be uploading in parts. So let's start the styling. Let's reset the default stylings. Reset the global stylings for global. Make a margin is 0, padding 0, and box sizing as border box. If anyone haven't seen the previous videos, this global reset is a common thing. This is like a boilerplate for CSS. Like HTML has a boilerplate of head element, head data, the metadata, and everything else. So next, for the whole body, we're gonna restyle that. Give it the font family as Inter and sans serif. Give it a background as 0f, 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 and give text color as white, and give line height as 1.6. Let's see. Very distant. So next, we have the navigation bar here. Let's style that. For navigation bar, and it has a classes nav. For class nav, give it a display style as flex. Justify the content to. It has multiple links, anchors. So let's give space between. So the space will be created between each elements, and give it align items as a center, and give it a padding of 20 pixels and 8%, and give it a border bottom of 1 pixel solid with color code 222. Let's see. It is arranged. Next, for this Scriptor logo, I gave it a class logo. For logo, give it a font weight as 700, and give it font size at 1.3. It has become bold. Next, for the navigation items, in the navigation, for nav, each nav, give it a display of flex. Now align the items to center, and give the gap between each as 25 pixels. It is arranged. Next, for the anchors, for each anchors, in nav class, for all the anchors, give text decoration as none, because we need to remove the underline below the each anchors. Then give it a text color of white like tinter white, and then give the transition of timing of 3.3 seconds. Let's see. Here is it. Next, for the navigation anchors, give it a hover transition. Hover. While hovering, the color should be white. See, it is changed. Next, it has a button here. Let's style the button. For the nav bar button, I gave the class btn. Give a padding of 12 pixels and 22 pixels. Give it a border radius of 30 pixels. I think I'll change the, in settings I'm gonna change the font size of the coding. I think it won't be visible in videos. When I check the videos, it's really tough to see. 17, 18. I think it is okay now. So let's continue. Border radius. Give the border as done. Make the cursor into pointer. Give it a font weight of 600. For this, give a transition as again 0.3 seconds. The button is transformed. In fact, all the buttons transform. So next, for the primary buttons, we will class primary. What are the primary buttons? Means if your primary button, start writing is a primary button. So let's style that. For that, give it a background of linear gradient color with 1.35 degrees and 7B61FF and 00E5FF, and then give it a text color as white. Let's see how it changes. See, it has changed. Next, this is the secondary button. For the secondary button, give it a background as black, and then give the text color as white. Then when the for all the buttons, add the hover effect. Give it a transform, translate in Y direction for 2 pixel distance. See, it is moving. And next is the hero section. The hero section consists of this your AI rating and this thing here. We'll style that now. For the hero section, with the class hero, give it a padding of 120 pixels and 8%. Give it a text align at center. The maximum width of 900 pixels. The margin is auto. See, it is arranged. Next, in the class hero and the heading h1, give it a font size of clamp value minimum 3 rem with 5 VW and the maximum size of 4.5 rem, and give it a margin bottom of 20 pixels. Next, in the same hero tag for the paragraph, give the text color as AAA, then give the margin bottom as 13 pixels. See, the paragraphs are changed. Next, for all the hero buttons, give it a display style of flex, justify the content to center and give the gap between each at some 20 pixels, and give it a margin bottom of 60 pixels. See, it is moved and the margin is now created. And then in the hero section, I plan to create a like editor demo kind thing to show the demo of what the my brand does, like my demo brand, this example does. We are going to create a box here. That's what we're going to do, box and some color, 3 colors here. In the code we can see the editor demo, that is in the editor demo it has one container, and that container has red, yellow and green dots, and then below that we have these contents in these 3 lines. So let's create that. For the editor demo, class editor demo, give it a background of 111, give it a border radius of 12 pixel, give it a maximum width of 700 pixels, and give it a margin as auto. For the items inside, give it a overflow value of hidden, and give it a border value of 1 pixel solid border, with the color triple to black. Let's see, the box will be formed. See, the box is formed here. Next, in the editor header, give it a display style as flexor, give it a gap as 8 pixels, give it a padding of 12 pixels, and give it a background of 181818. So we have this. We have a box like above the everything. We have a small box generator, black box. Inside that box, we will have 3 dots here. So for each dot, give a width of 12 pixels and height as 12 pixels, and give it a border radius as 50%. Let's see, a circle here is already formed here. So to see that circle, we need colors. So I gave the circle colors as red, yellow and green. So let's create that. For the red circle, give it a background as, I will be the color code for that thing, F56. That is red color. See, the red is formed. And then for the yellow color, give it a background of FVD2E. Then for the green color, give it a background color as 27C93F. So all the three colors are formed. Now this editor body, this next Flexbox, for that, for editor body, give it a text color as and some PPD, and then give it a padding of 25 pixels, give it a text align at left, give it a font family at monospace. Let's see, it actually looks like some coding font, so we changed that too. In the editor body, we have a span element. So a span element, so we're gonna style that span element in the body, editor body span. Give it a text color as 00E5FF. See, it is changed again. So we've done the navigation bar, the whole page is background, the hero section, the whole hero section and its buttons too. Next we have the remaining sections. What sections have means, in the remaining we have the feature section, the template section, the testimonial section, pricing sections, and the click to action section, and the final footer section. So we will do that in the next video. So that's it for today. We will continue the same page, the same task in the next video. Thank you.